HVAC contractors, do you know you could be stealing from your customers? I know that could sound harsh, but when you get money today for memberships sold and the work isn't completed, but you're using it to pay your guys, pay gas, pay a tax bill, you're actually using money that's not earned. So yeah, the weather's good. Your customers, they're opening their windows, feeling great. Your guys still need to run calls and the trucks need to still be on the road. And you're realizing that things are a bit tight and how am I going to be paying my people and my bills? Well, it's only tight because there's a lack of systems. With that money that's been paid in advance, that should have been used once the job or the tune-up was completed. All right, so a few things that you want to go ahead and you start doing now. We want to open up an account with a trusted bank that's separated from your income account, right? And all of your membership's income is going to go into that account. And remember, it's not earned unless the job is done. So you'll have your bank account. We're going to be running a weekly report or however frequently, but I recommend at least a weekly report of how many memberships have been sold, how many memberships have been completed. That money ideally should line up with your reports. And then once the job has been completed or once a tune-up's completed, go ahead and transfer your money over, use it for your payroll or whatever expenses that's been incurred because of that. Here's 4 simple steps that you could do now to ensure your membership system is running smooth. Number 1, open up a separate bank account. Number 2, whenever you get a membership sold, you transfer in those funds. Number 3, you're going to go ahead and run a weekly report, see how many tune-ups you completed. And number 4, you're going to transfer that money out. So what that looks like is you sold a membership for $100 and you do 2 tune-ups a year. You did one, you completed one already. What that looks like, I sold a membership for $100. I'm transferring that $100 in my membership account. I did a tune-up and then I'm running my report to see how many tune-ups are done and I'm transferring out the $50. If you want to know more information or it sounds like you're in this problem and you need some help, I invite you to click the link in the bio, go to my website, book a clarity call, and we'll walk through it together.